In this quick video, I am going to show you how to add image in Google Form header. If you found this video helpful, then please consider subscribing my channel to help me reach 1000 subscribers. Now as you can see, this is my Google Form header. If I want to add an image on my header, then we need to tap on this theme icon from the top. Once we tap on it, we'll see bunch of options on this right panel. And from here we can see this header option. Under it, we need to tap on choose image and then it will open this new window. From here we can choose the default image for our header. Suppose I want to choose this image, then I can simply tap on it and then we need to tap on insert and the image will be added on our Google Form header just like this. But in case if you have any custom image on your computer and you want to use that as your header, then tap on the choose image and from this window we need to tap on upload and now click on browse and select the image from your device. So I have this image, I need to select it, tap on open and now it will take some time to upload that image in your Google Form. Once the image is uploaded, you can adjust the position of your header according to you. You can also adjust the corners, you can adjust the size. Once you are satisfied with everything, tap on done and there you go, we have successfully added custom image for our Google Form header. Now if I was a big help, can you like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.